Greetings! Welcome to another beer review with the Baron here and the Klaus
We are here.
to review your beer.
We are here outside of my wunderbar Schloss.
We are presenting a beer from America that is very much uncrafted,
They may have won the war.
but they lost the beer battle.
Präsentiert Coors Light.
Summer
Summer
brew. It is a summertime special brew. It's light, supposedly, and it's man, these flies. You see that? The flies are attracted to the swine, as you can tell already. Let's crack these suckers open. The flies are already circling, so they obviously know something good is coming. You got to tilt the glass a little more, Baron. Come on, you got to get the foamy shit out.
I would say it looks like something I made right when I got out of bed this morning.
Yeah. Prost, eh? Now I was. Look at the flies like it. I was going to say this beer smelled like Fruit Loops and then immediately changed to something else.
It actually tastes like und golden shower.
But you know what, if I'm camping and there's no shampoo around, I would definitely take a can of this with me and jump in the river. Because this would probably work pretty nicely as a soap, because you can kind of smell like citrus.
If this were a country, I would invade it and destroy everything they ever made.
Maybe it's just because the state, they smoke weed all the time and they come up with this poison.
Rocky Mountain High, this is actually a Rocky Mountain Low.
The cans are great for the recycling,
I mean,
but
I would recycle it into maybe a bullet.
if you're at a rave, this psychedelic can looks cool and really high shit. I've been drinking this all night long. It's got the citrus. It can get me replenish electrolytes, maybe.
These raving expeditions are as a government result. We've been experimenting with several drugs. Experimental. What's this?
On my worst enemy.
Can?
No.
So, as a final review, we are giving this beer,
Realistically, a 2.
because we all know why we give beer to girls. You're gonna need at least 12.
Your tranny's gonna need like 20 of these things.
Have I ever told you how I got these medals?
From all the
Most of
trannies
them
around
are
the world that
no,
you've
no,
tapped.
no. Most of them are from...
Anyway, that's another review. Until next time.
We are here to review your uncrafted beer.
우리 집이 순식간에 푸른 초원으로